In today's video, I'm going to teach you learn how to design a web in Figma. We'll start right inside Figma. Open the app or the browser version and head to the Community tab. This is where designers share resources you can duplicate. In the search bar, type Website Template. You'll see a mix of official options from Figma and templates shared by other designers. Browse until you find a layout that fits your project's vibe. Click a template to open its preview page, read the notes, and make sure it includes the sections you need. When you are ready, click Open in Figma. That creates a new editable file in your drafts or in the project folder you choose. Before changing anything, take a minute to understand how the template is built. In the left sidebar, the Layers panel shows every frame, group, and object. Clear naming and thoughtful grouping keep your workflow fast and prevent confusion later. So notice how the template organizes pages, sections, and components. The big central area is the canvas, where you'll do your design work. On the right, the Properties panel updates based on what you select, giving you controls for layout, typography, fills, effects, and more. Now customize the design and content. Start with colors and typography. In the Properties panel, create and apply color styles from your brand palette. And set typography styles for headings, paragraphs, and buttons. Using styles ensures consistency and makes global updates easy. Many templates include pre-built, reusable components like navigation bars, footers, and forms. Edit a component once and every instance stays in sync. Drag and drop sections and components to build your page layout and adjust spacing so everything feels balanced. Replace all placeholder text and images with your own content, paying attention to hierarchy and readability. Make your design responsive from the start. Turn on auto layout for groups and frames so elements adapt as content or screen sizes change. Dial in direction, padding, and spacing, and set smart resizing rules so buttons grow with labels and cards wrap cleanly. Design for both mobile and desktop by applying the frame presets for common device sizes. This helps you see how the same components behave across breakpoints. When your design is complete, you can turn it into a live website using a third-party plugin like Figment or the native Figma Sites feature in beta. Often without writing code. That's all to it. Thanks for watching.